won't stop.
Hey guys, it's Madison Pajaro, and today I'm going to be showing you guys me making my new bed, which I'm trying to not let you guys see it, but me making my new bed and putting the new comforter on it and just a room tour period. A lot of you guys have been asking for this, so I was like, I might as well show them. Like, you know, if you guys do enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, turn your post notifications if you want to, and let's just get right into this video. Okay guys, so Alex just finished making the bed frame.
Gang, gang, gang.
He did this all by himself. Like, he didn't even want me to help him with the instructions or anything. So, good job, baby. Okay, next we're just going to be unboxing, or we really just took out the box, but it's not like all the way out of like the plastic and stuff. Just our new mattress, which is from Nighslee.com. They actually sent me this mattress. It's supposed to be like a memory foam one, and it's supposed to have like cooling stuff to make the mattress all cold and stuff at night, which I like because I always overheat. Alex said it's like really, really heavy.
You want me to put it on the bed so it can just poof up on the bed? Okay, you ready?
Yeah, do it, do it. I could hear it blowing up, kind of like pooping up.
You gotta hurry up.
This is like a lot of work. I couldn't have done this without Alex.
Alright, well.
Yes, baby. I want to feel it. I want to feel it. Oh, do you feel that? Whoa.
There we go, boo.
Woo! Okay guys, this is my first time sitting on it, and I really like it. Like, I was afraid it'd be too firm because Alex has a memory foam mattress that's like a really firm one. I don't really like that. So this is actually like perfect for me. Wait, you can feel it too. Come on, baby.
Come on, baby. Oh.
Do you like it?
I'm gonna sleep good tonight.
I
you
know. I'm actually really like surprised, like in a good way, you know? Like, this is perfect.
This is honestly
perfect for us.
This is softer than my bed.
I know. Your bed was like, well, his original mattress in California is pretty soft, but it's not this soft.
Yeah, it's not that soft.
Yeah, but it's not like too soft. You know how it can be too soft for certain people? I mean, I guess it could for certain people, but not for us. This is perfect.
Here, let's set up the lights.
Oh yeah, Alex really wants to set up the lights, guys, so we gotta do that. Well, sorry that you can see a little bit of the mess. That's just comforters and stuff I was picking from that I actually still have for queen size beds. But we got up the lights. Alex wanted to do it like straight, and I like it too. We don't know what we're gonna do with that tail thing yet, though. That's probably just gonna like lay behind it actually, because it's not even needed really. But we got just these sheets on the bed. You can't really see it, but they have little tiny gray stripes. But this isn't like, well, we might keep these sheets on the bed, but we have to buy our comforter because I want a whole new one. Like, we're just picking one for tonight, but tomorrow we're gonna go shopping for like actual bed set, you know, like with the matching pillows and pillowcases and stuff like that.
You want to finish the bed and put the
yeah, for right now we're just going to put one of the comforters that we choose from, because I have 3, and then we're also going to switch out the pillows because we got new pillows at Target too. So yeah guys, and then we will show y'all what it looks like then, but we'll also come back tomorrow when we actually went out shopping and stuff, and with the final like bed look, I guess, and then I'll show you my whole room tour. Okay guys, so this is what we have so far. Like, this is what it's looking like tonight. I'm so excited tomorrow to get the matching comforters and all that stuff, but I'm overall like happy with it. Like, you know, it's cute and stuff. Alex just told me we have to get a box spring. So yeah, tomorrow we have to run a lot of errands. We have to do a lot of things tomorrow, which includes getting some stuff for the room. So we'll just be right back tomorrow, and you guys will see like the actual end result of this and my whole room, like the room tour, everything, because you guys have been asking for this since like a long time ago. Okay guys, so this is what the bed looks like finished. Tell me that's not cute. I love this. Hold up. This is what the little like pillows and stuff look like. This pillow is honestly like my whole life. Like, I cannot get enough of this pillow, man. This is what the comforter looks up close. It is so freaking soft. I got it from Target. I think it was like Like 70 or 80, one of those. Oh man, the lights are like kind of dim. I gotta replace the batteries because we sleep with those lights on, so they always die kind of soon. Like, oh, by the way, guys, I have a discount code for you guys if you did want to get the same mattress as me, which is a Nighslee mattress. I'll put the links down below and stuff, and I believe my code is Queen for Madison, but if it's not, I'll put it right here. I'll put it right here either way though. The whole like point of this video is really a room tour, so that's what we're gonna do now. This is my bed, guys. Of course, like you guys know, I love this bed now. Like, I hated the bed and the comforters I had before. I got so tired of them. But Alex made this whole thing by himself. I'll put the link to it just in case like you want it. Like, no one sent this to me, but I bought it with my own money, but it was just from Amazon. Should I show him this blanket? We sleep with this blanket all the time. We actually don't even get under this most of the time. We sleep with this. I got this from JCPenney a long time ago. Okay, next in my room, we have this, what do you call this? Like a night table? Ew, don't zoom in too close. This, I've had this since I was little, so like, wait, show them this. Guys, I was burning incense one time and I let it burn on the table on accident. I didn't think it would burn the whole table, but it did. And then this is my little, isn't this called Buddha? I just thought this was cute. I got this from Dollar Tree. But I just keep my jewelry up here, kind of unorganized with my jewelry. I don't have a ton of it. This is like important stuff. Like this is my like selfie stick and some camera equipment. Some like, what do you call, like a book I like, some incense. I call this my smoker bag. Alex had a smoker bag and I was like, I want a smoker bag. So I use this to like, what do I say? I keep like my belongings in there. Right here. I keep this on the side because I'm always tearing or breaking something. So this is actually like a sewing kit. It's kind of like all over the place in there, but just in case I need to sew something back together or something like that, I have this right here. Oh yeah, this is my, what do you call, like when I go to the airport, this is my carry-on. I always have this because book bags, like they're just out of your way. I used to bring like duffel bags and they're just like, they're really like hard on your shoulders. So when you have them on both shoulders, it's a little bit better. It's just from Victoria's Secret. I think this was like $70, but I don't think you can get it anymore. This was like 2 years ago. Okay, this is my little like closet that I use. I got this from Lowe's a long time ago. Oh yeah, there's some pillows and my little bunny that my mom got me for Valentine's Day. One year I didn't have a boyfriend for Valentine's Day, so my mom got me that, which I thought was so cute. This is what my closet looks like. It's a basic closet. Like, okay, let me tell you where everything is. So like long sleeve shirts or just t-shirts or something like that. There's even some tube tops are on this side. And then this side is like dresses, rompers, and some tube tops or like short sleeve things, you know, like summery things. These are like my pants and my jeans. Under here is my like denim shorts or just some shorts. Right here is like pajamas. There's my little 18 lit shirt. Do you like that? And these are sleep shorts and tank tops, and this is gym clothes and bikinis. So that's my little closet or whatever. Nothing special. Oh, sometimes I keep purses right here because there was like a hook here and I was like, perfect. Right here is just like more stuff to put clothes in, I guess. Like right here I keep my bras, my underwear, and my socks right there. I have a lot of body sprays and stuff and perfumes, so I keep them right here. Oh, and the Lubriderm, me and Alex just got new tattoos, which I'm gonna show you in another video, so that's why this is here. Oh yeah, I have like some bomb CDs right here, like Chanel Orange and everything. Like I used to love CDs, like buying them. And then look, I have a freaking squishy. I love squishies. I don't know if you guys know that, but I only have one. I like watching squishy videos though, and I just got this one from like Route 21. Squish it. Boom. Oh, let me tell them my favorite one at the moment. Okay, so I need to get this in the full size, but this is like one of my favorite body sprays right now. It's from Pink and it's called Warm and Cozy. It's like one of my favorites. Okay, I normally keep my light right here too, so that's why you can see it. But this is my little like workstation. This is my Imac. There's a crack on the screen. It's life. Things happen. And I will usually just sit on the corner of the bed and then edit. This is usually where my camera is. I just keep my tripod right here. And me and Alex just got back from California, so here's his suitcase. You're not gonna see him there because I haven't cleaned that out in a long time. I just kind of forgot about it because as a kid I like wanted to paint the inside of it for some unknown reason, so I did that and then I gave up halfway through. So I'm gonna clean that out and then maybe I'll have like a closet tour later on. I don't know. But yeah guys, it's not the biggest room ever, it's not the best room ever, but I'm happy with it. I like my room. Yeah guys, you guys pretty much saw me actually put this thing together, or Alex put this thing together, and then us put the mattress up here, get the whole room like where I actually, it's still not exactly where I want it, but I'm waiting to move out because we're moving out in like not that long, like a month or something. So I'm waiting to move out to really get my main room in the new apartment to looking right, you know. I don't know if I'll even be able to bring this bed because we're probably moving to LA. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, turn your post notifications if you want to. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.
We can just dance to this. Don't take much to stop me. We can just dance to this. Push up on my body, yeah. You know we already